Xander's gonna try to pop these heads off carefully. Them babies is on, eh?
Yeah, bending the pry bar. That's here. I'll put it here.
Wait, I got it. Watch this. Watch this. Ooh, there we go. Grab that fucking guy. I'm gonna pop it on this side. Or try to. You're gonna want to pull it up, and you're gonna stand on that side because you're gonna use both hands.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, move the intake manifold to death. Factory manifolds, no fun. This one's getting
What am I doing?
Grip it here and here, and pull up. There you go. Gotta fight the. I can get this in here a little bit. Oh god. That thing's on there. There you go. Work it off. There you go. Wiggle it. Work it out from that side and it'll work its way this way as you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's got those head gaskets. That's why. Oh my god. There's a little water in there still. Wow. Alright. Get me Holy Ridge, Batman. Wow.
It's not supposed to be like that, is it?
That ridge that's a lot of miles, dude. Alright, we'll get this other head off real quick, and then we'll come in here with one of the green lights and take care of it. We'll discuss. There we go. Wow, those head gaskets have seen better days. Look at the wire. Wow, you alright?
Yeah.
Not the lightest things, are they?
Nope.
Okay. Let's. Ooh, stanky. So let's get a light and check these bores. So you can see the scuffing, and there's no crosshatch. Ooh, look at that! It's shiny. Lots of big scuffs. So this thing has been hurting for a while. So we might want to have a conversation about this, Ken. Maybe when I get back, we'll have a call about this. Because we don't want to put headers in a nice manifold on something that has... What compression? Oh, wow. Look how far you can see that ring sticking out. Piston. It's hard to see it. I'm trying to get the light to line up. There it is. Oh, shit. Anyway. Yeah, those pistons are definitely... These cylinder walls have definitely seen better days. I wonder how much piston rock we got. Not too bad. I can't work it too hard, but I can feel it. So, all right. Let's get these lifters out. We can pull this cam out. And then we can pull the oil pan. Check the bearings and we're done. I had Xander pull the drain plug for the coolant, and it is covered in schmutz. So go ahead and stab that, sir. God damn. Okay, get a screwdriver and bang that. Oh, there you go. Get ready for a bath. Oh, it's getting there. That's pretty gross. Ow, 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 ow.
I think I'm gonna take you up on that screwdriver.
Alright, screwdriver. Might help. Oh god, it's just caked! Wow. But we can see there's coolant in the block. Wow. Okay then. So this is the part of the program where I might have Xander pull this engine mount and knock these freeze plugs out instead. Okay. Now we go. So If you guys remember, we opened that petcock, and now it's out and nothing's coming out. This box is... Oh, Yahtzee! Sander got it. There we go. There we go. Oh, there it is. That's gross. It's slathering me.
And me.
Lovely. I think that's draining. Cute. At least that's coming out. So we'll try to do the other side. Maybe stab it a little more. And we'll go from there. Okay, back to this side. Xander's gonna stabby rip, stab, stab. Jeez, is it that bad? That's fun.
Oh yeah.
That's cute. Wow.
Well, I'm just hitting something hard there.
It might be so full of crud that you're probably all the way through and it's just, you're hitting the block. God, that's bad.
Yeah, that's not.
That ain't happening. Alright, well, freeze plug's gotta come out anyway, so we should spin her and see.